Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So I'm just out here harvesting. I harvested a ton of amaranth because I have some florists that want it. And I had a lot of people really like one of the bouquets I put on that had the amaranth in it. So yay, I'm gonna get rid of a lot of amaranth. I did have you guys flipped around like this, but I feel like my plant is flipping you off. This is actually really too big to put in a bouquet, I think. Maybe not. Maybe some of these smaller ones you could put in something. It's really neat though. But yeah, all of the little things, even like the short ones, they kind of look like they're just flipping you off. But yes, harvesting, and then I have my bouquet subscriptions. Normally those are every other week, but today actually starts my autumn or fall subscription. Even though it's not fall, I am in Iowa Zone 5, and I just want to make sure that everybody gets their flowers. And if you do it every other week and they get 4 or 5 every time, you know, that's going to take me into September. And then if I have a few extra weeks, that's fine. At least I know everybody gets their subscription service and they're happy. And the people that got the whole year, they actually go almost into October, which makes me a lot more nervous. So this actually gives them a chance to get 2 back-to-back bouquets, and so it gives them 1 extra during the season, and I think it's going to work out. So I'm just harvesting, and then I'll start those. I don't have as many for the fall subscription as I had for the summer. I think I have 6 total right now, so that's okay though. I'll get those done hopefully before noon and get them delivered, and then tomorrow's the farmer's market day and a florist order, so I'll probably just get some stuff ready for that just to get ahead a little bit. All right, the cooler is definitely full. But I'm getting ready to make bouquet subscriptions, a florist order, and the farmer's market tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it has been a very busy day today. I got all of my bouquet subscriptions done. I will put some pictures up on the screen right now. I think they came out beautifully. I love the Gladiolas, and the people that I took them to seem very happy with the looks of their bouquets, and it seemed very exciting. And then I got an order for a florist tomorrow, a pretty big order, bigger than normal. So that's gonna go through a lot of flowers. And then I got an order for a wedding designer, so a lot of flowers. And I have my farmer's market tomorrow, which puts a lot of stuff on tomorrow. So I decided after delivering all the subscriptions, I'd come back, I get all of my vases ready. So I have them all filled with my solution. And then I have all my $10 and $5 bouquets. I made up all of my little $5 ones by wrapping them. And I filled everything with water so that it's ready to go when I get back from the florist. I do have to go cut quite a bit tomorrow morning before I go to the florist and then to the wedding designer. Luckily they're in the same town, so that's awesome. And then I will get back here and I will use whatever I've left on my farmer market bouquets, and then we'll see how the cooler looks. I think it's gonna start looking bare, unless I just cut so much tomorrow that it doesn't make a dent. Right now I'm completely out of buckets though, so I am going to go combine some stuff in the cooler and get it ready for tomorrow.